The next question we are going to learn is Qui est? Qui est? It means who is it? The word qui means who. So I hope you're remembering the question words that we have learnt. So this is one more question word. It means who. Qui. Qui est? Who is it? So let us read this conversation. So la guide says, regardez la statue. Regardez la statue. Regardez means to see or to look. Regardez, look at the statue. Hakima says, Qui est? Who is this? So la guide replies, c'est Jacques Cartier. C'est Jacques Cartier. So the question is, who is this? Who is this? Qui est? And your answer is c'est and the name of the person. So Hakima asks, Jacques Cartier? La guide says, oui, yes, un navigateur, le premier European Québécois. So now in this conversation we have seen the question, qui est? Who is this? And the answer will be c'est. If it is a person, the name of the person. So your answer depends upon what they are asking. So who is it? You can either say it is the name of the person, like how we saw Jacques Cartier, or you can say c'est un navigateur. So notice the use of the article here. Similar to the previous question, here also we use both definite and indefinite articles. We will see how we use the various articles to answer this question. Here are the different ways in which we can answer this question. Qui est? So if it is referring to a person, you can say c'est Diana. This is Diana. C'est une touriste. She is a tourist. C'est une touriste. C'est un anglais. Anglais is another nationality. It means English. From England. C'est un touriste anglais. You can join these two sentences. You can say c'est un touriste anglais. So this is how we answer this question using the indefinite article. So since our noun here is feminine, we use un. So if it is masculine, we would use un, and if it is plural, we would use des, des. Next, for a precise answer, c'est le guide des touristes. He is the guide of the tourist. He is the tourist guide. So since we are referring to someone in particular, we say le, which is a definite article, and le because our noun is masculine. C'est le guide des touristes. And the last one is to characterize someone, to introduce someone. Pour caractériser, voici Azra. Here is Azra. Elle est étudiant. So we know to form this sentence. This a subject, the être verb, and a noun. Elle est étudiant. Qui est? Voici Azra. Elle est étudiant. So these are three different situations where we have to answer this question. Can either be in general, that is, who is this? C'est Diana. C'est une touriste. C'est un anglais. C'est un touriste anglais. So here we use the indefinite article you. To be more precise, for our answer, we use the definite article. C'est le guide des touristes. So, here we use the definite article. And finally, to introduce a person, we say voici Azra, elle est étudiant. So, we are answering this question, qui est, in 3 different forms. So, I hope you have understood how to ask the basic questions in French and also how to answer those questions in different ways using the different articles and the correct use of the prepositions. So I suggest that you keep practicing, keep asking yourselves questions and try to answer those questions in different forms. That is, in a singular form, in the plural form, masculine, feminine. Using the different subjects, we can try to answer these questions.